Like me, man. I love the game. I love the hustle, man. Be feeling like one of the ball playing, you know, Bird, Magic or something. Yeah, you know what the brick though. Believe. What if I leave? The fans still gonna love me, man.
Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, and I'm back to you guys with yet another banger. And we also got my boy in the Superstock with me. He might have a potential race tonight, and we might potentially film it for you guys. All right, let's check out all the cars here. We got this. It's a beautiful color. And then we got this GTR, which might be the car that we're gonna race against the Superstock. All right, guys, so we locked in a race with the GTR versus the Superstock. I'm not really sure what's done to the GTR. All I know it's really fast, and then the Superstock is obviously fast as well. So it's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna go park my GT500 at a random lot, and then I'm gonna hop with the Superstock to record the race for you guys.
Burned down my goddamn anti-lag, almost blew my shit up. No,
Cause you were, your anti-lag was good, but you were behind us. I wanted you to like be next to us when we start racing.
When I'm going, I gotta set a speed, so it has to be at that exact speed. I can't step on the gas and get close. When I press the gas, it's spooling turbo.
So that's when you're ready, you were a little behind us, and I wanted you to.
And then I was like already over the 55. We was like 56, 57. It was still
really? Because he was at 54, 55. So
no, I mean,
our speedos might be off.
Yeah, speedo's probably different or whatever. But that is nasty. You powered up, you little. But it's cool. I'll be back for you. Just give me my motherfucking run back. When this come back to Michigan, it's gonna be Kurtz for a lot of y'all. He did good. That dragging the nigga powered up though. I don't blame him. I'll power up too.
There you guys go, man. We had to beat him. If you know him, he's on Instagram talking shit all day. If you lose against him, he's gonna make an entire movie about you. So we had to beat him. You enjoy your day now. Don't be picking on Hellcats. Hey, cause that's all you be doing is picking on Hellcats.
Wall up. If them ain't coming like this with 1,000 and up, dead. They know they dead too. That's why they have luck. But I ain't mad at it. That's a good kill. That nigga sneak this me. That's cool. No, that was a sneak this.
Oh man, we had to, but we don't want to be on your Instagram looking stupid.
Hey man, ain't nobody looking stupid. It's all love.
Yeah, it ain't all love when you lose. Ooh, somebody getting pulled over. And look at this beautiful orange Huracan. And look who we got here. Hishi. Look at his truck. He just wrapped it. Boy, you out here hiding from me? Hold on, baby. Truck looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Look at you. I want to show what you're doing in there, you know? But look at this truck. So this is the Young Dolph wrap, and it looks so fire. Then look at the wheels. He's out here doing it. That sounds so good. Look at all the cars here. And of course, it's only right to get you a Red Bull. Josh decided to pull up as well. And we got this beautiful M2. And cops are here again. Off to the next spot now. Poor Mustang got pulled over. Why was the cop standing like that? He looked like he was Captain America. Alright, guys. Alright, we're getting pulled over now. I wonder why. So the cop told me to get back in my car. So that's what we're gonna do. So they called for hella backups. Look at that. And there's more here. And there's a cop right here. I don't know why they need so many backups. I think it's because I have a CPL, which is a permit to basically conceal a weapon. I told them I have it. I have the weapon with me and everything. So they probably think I'm up to something. I don't know. But he said he pulled me over for speeding, which is cool. Whatever. If he thought I was speeding, then hey, it is what it is. I'll take the ticket and go home. But I don't know why they need so many cars. There's literally 3 different cop cars. So we got a ticket, boys, but it is what it is. Cool cops. Look, there's 3 of them. I got a ticket. 1 to 5 over. I'm not even tripping. One of the cops was actually super cool. It was the same cop that I said looked like Captain America just like a few seconds ago. He was like, let me see that picture you took of me, but it was actually a video. But he was a super cool cop. I don't know why there's so many of them. There's literally like a million of them. Should this be the thumbnail? I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, this looks real good right here. Look at that. 3 police cars pulling me over. I ain't that fast, and I'm definitely not running away. I don't know why I like this car so much. We seen it earlier. Has the competition wheels. I mean, it is a competition. Look at this thing. It's so tiny and small, but looks so beautiful. And then we got this. I wonder what he has under the hood. Definitely not gonna race him unless he pops the hood, guys. What do you guys think? And look at this. Look at that. I like that. I like that. So this is a Saturn. Look at the underglows. And this is literally the coolest part. The man has no roof. That's actually really cool. I like that. I'll show you guys the back. This thing is slammed all the way to the ground. I can never escape the cops. No, I didn't get pulled over, but they're kicking us out of this gas station. Cool looking cop car. I love the new Explorers, but we're gonna be racing this car. It's a Procharged Corvette. Not sure what else it has, but we're gonna be racing it up against the Superstock. So you guys are gonna see one more race for tonight. We gotta drop off my GT500 because I'm gonna ride passenger in the Superstock, and then we're gonna head out to Mexico and get some runs in for you guys. Another dub for the night. Alrighty, boys, we're gonna say bye to the Superstock. This thing went to work today. We got the GT500 sitting there very pretty. That thing is fast. But anyways, guys, it is time to let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Tons of racing. We got pulled over, but overall, I think it's an amazing video. Let me know what you guys think of the racing videos lately. I've been trying my hardest to just record racing. F everything else, strictly only racing content for you guys because I know you guys love that. So leave a like, leave a comment, make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.